Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use DoorDash food delivery. Now, placing your first food delivery on DoorDash is a straightforward process, whether you use the official website or mobile app. First of all, you want to make sure that you already have a DoorDash app installed to your device. Alongside, make sure that you also have your account. After you're done with your information, you just want to make sure to enter your delivery address immediately so that the app can show which restaurants are currently available in your area. So if you want to enter that, you just want to go to the profile and select the address, and you could go to orders, or you could simply go to the home page and start placing an order like this. And once you've actually liked, or if you've actually added this item to your cart, you could select delivery here. You could just select the item, and then you could just go ahead and scroll down, and you could just go ahead and add it. Once you do this, you will be able to use DoorDash for food delivery. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.